My name is Jonathan Lau, global speaker, leadership success coach. And right now, I'm in the beautiful city of Dubai. As you know, there are many amazing and beautiful hotels. But then again, do they actually mean great service? And what does it take to have great, exceptional service and experience? That people will come back all the time, that you have great loyalty all the time. Good hospitality is really the foundation of what is expected from customers these days. But great, exceptional experience is what people are really looking forward to. And in my work over the last 10 to 15 years, in this area of sales and service experience, I have learned that in order to create exceptional service, it comes from the leaders. The leaders need to embrace this power of emotional intelligence. The higher the emotional intelligence of a leader have, he is then able to influence, inspire, and empower the team members to great exception. Because it's all about people, end of the day. Emotion drives people, people drives performance. So in order for a team to take the next step forward, it is really about cultivating a culture of trust. It's about cultivating a culture of service champion. And how do you do that? One of the ways is really to have everyone buy into the vision, have great clarity. Because at the end of the day, it is all about trust among the people. And trust is truly the foundation. When it is great trust, people buy in because of the competence of the team. People buy in because there's great commitment from the team. People buy in because there's great consistency in whatever they're doing. And more importantly, people buy in because there is care. So are you caring enough to make that presence of building trust? So in doing the work that I've been so blessed to do globally, and even as the past president of the Global Speakers Federation, it is my desire to invite you to journey with me as I take on the opportunity to speak at different conferences, to be part of your whole conference experience, and just to journey with your people in helping them to develop, to grow, and to be part of the 1 billion service champion. So take a look at my website, www.globalsuccesslearning.net, and I invite you to be part of the journey. My name is Jonathan Lau, global speaker, leadership success coach.